What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SafeMoon token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So let's start with the total sentiment of the crypto market. For now, we are down for about 2.35% during last day. And the total market cap for now is $1.47 trillion. The major currencies are in red, as you can see. It's not so big, nevertheless, we have from 1 to 5% down. And let's continue with the SafeMoon, and SafeMoon is also down for about 2.5%, and its total market cap for now is $2.33 billion, and its total tradable volume is a little bit higher than $13 million, and it is also down for about 7.55%. So everything is down, it is just common fluctuations of the price. And let's continue with their official Twitter page. For now they have 926,000 followers and this number is still growing. And they have several recent tweets. 13 hours ago they posted this tweet: holding is rewarding with tokenomics. And just random tweet, nothing special. But next tweet is rather interesting. 6 hours ago, if you know, you know. SafeMoon survival kit. And let me show you this. We have moon boots, we have a helmet, we have this ball that was announced recently that it might be in merch. We have this card, thermos, coins itself, and this huge bag with the sign SafeMoon wallet. And right here you can find that there is a lot of conspiracy theories around this stuff. But I want to add my own thoughts. So, as you can see right here, we have 1958. And many of you wondering what is this date about. And this date is very simple. So, this is exactly the same bag, as you can see, and it is a NASA bag. And right here we can see 1958. And it is the date of birth of NASA. So, on July 29th, 1958, NASA was created. And right here, this is just a reflection of this bag. And here we have a new date. And this date is 12/09/21. If this date is in European format, it means it is 12th of September 2021, and it might be the release date, as you already know, it might be a release date of their hard wallet. But we have more interesting details right here. As you can see, we have a blurry Africa continent right here, but on top of this continent we have some data right here and right here, and this is maybe the clue of their potential roadmap, or I don't know, something about the Africa continent, because for now John didn't disclose any details what will be their next steps after Gambia. But I'm sure Gambia only the first country on the African continent where the SafeMoon will be implemented as potential currency, in my opinion. So I think this is the most important part, and on top of that we have this weird sign. I don't know what is this sign about, but for now it is the most important part of this entire picture is the helmet. So it is what it is, and let's continue with the official Reddit thread. And I want to pay your attention just on several points. First of all, no AMA session this Sunday. As you might know, John and the team are in business trip, and instead of Sunday, we will have this AMA session that I covered yesterday or 2 days ago, I guess. And it will be a Satoshi Street Bets AMA session, and it will take place on 24th of June. And I think there we will have some new information about their latest steps and their latest achievements. So, and let's continue with the Reddit thread. Here is the screenshot where John replied to this person, and the question was We are getting promises and that's it. Nothing has happened yet. And John answered, empty promises don't get you in front of decision makers of a country. Then get invited to others. So I think Gambia is just the first country, and that's why they don't want to disclose any new details, because there is a lot of rumors and speculation behind all the information that might be released from the development team, and that's why they have to be extremely cautious. Next one, another response, and the question was, let's talk about wallet. Beta on June 15. Nope, on June 15 only sign up, then sign up close. Now is 5 days. So the question is absolutely the same. Nothing happening with the wallet. And John answered, sorry you lost faith, friend. Development takes more than 15 minutes. It's an app, not a McDonald's order. We are looking for specific devices and specific testers for a closed beta, which we opened up to the community to do. We announced beta signups, not beta launch. And I think John is absolutely right, because he has to choose necessary people among all the people who signed up for this potential beta testing, and they will choose only 500 of them. And it won't be a random people. These people have to have these skills, necessary skills. They have to know what is the testing process about, and they have to have different type of devices. It means tablets or phones or whatever they want to test on. So, and I think that's it for now. We don't have much news, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So we don't have much new data on this price action. We just hovering in the middle of 0.618 and 0.5 levels. And what should you do if you see this type of action? Basically, it is very difficult to make some Elliott wave breakdown, because we don't have much volume and we don't have major key points as this pivot point and, for example, this pivot point. And as you might see around this price action, I predicted almost all these movements. I've told you that we have 5 waves completed structure and we have to have a retracement. Then I drew this line, this slope line, and we tested once. We broke it with a very good volume. We retested from the top, and then basically we retested again right here. And it is very good and very technical. So far what we can do, we can have just levels of support and levels of resistance, and depending on these levels we might project some potential movements, and we have to hold these lines or break these lines. What do we have here? First of all, we have this swing high. We have to break this line in order to establish higher highs, and so far we have higher lows, and basically higher lows we have from this very point. And until this pivot holds, we are bullish from the May 23rd, and as long as this pivot holds, we are bullish from the June the 8th, and so on and so forth. And we have to establish new uptrend or potentially downtrend, and we have to define what is the current trend. So far from this point we have consistently lower highs and lower lows. This means from this point we are in downtrend, and this downtrend is just a small part of this price action, and that's why we have to keep an eye on this, and we have to wait until major news will come, because every time news shows the direction of the movement, and the technical analysis shows the actual path. And until we won't have major volume with a great movement to the upside or to the downside, I cannot predict any movements at all. And that's why for now my technical analysis has not much sense. It is what it is, and I'm 100% good with this, because this is the nature of trading. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.